Outgoing Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx wants to do away with certain traffic stops in Chicago. Critics say those stops unfairly target specific groups.
WGN's Jenna Barnes is live in the loop with details now. Jenna?
Yeah, right. And Micah, Kim Foxx's office tells us they have been working on this draft policy since last fall, and it could drastically change how prosecutors charge cases that are based on traffic stops. Under this draft policy, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office would not prosecute gun, drug, or stolen property cases if they're the result of what's considered a non-public safety stop, a traffic stop for a reason that doesn't pose a safety threat to anyone, like an expired plate, registration, or broken lights. The office also wouldn't prosecute if a search during a traffic stop is based on consent without probable cause. State's Attorney Kim Foxx saying in a statement, decades of data demonstrate that these stops do not enhance public safety. Instead, they perpetuate a cycle of mistrust and fear, especially in under-resourced communities. This draft policy is a crucial step towards rebuilding that trust.
If you exist as a black person in this country or as a brown person in this country, you to some extent fear that interaction with the police because it could result in them taking your life.
Activists have been fighting for an end to what are referred to as pretextual traffic stops.
Don't roll the window up.
Their concerns heightened after a CPD tactical team killed Dexter Reed in March after he shot an officer. That traffic stop, the Civilian Office of Police Accountability says, was initiated because Reed wasn't wearing his seatbelt. A seatbelt violation would not be covered by Foxx's policy.
What she is saying in her policy is this: we don't care what traffic code you violated, and we don't care what police officers find after. I want to see more traffic stops in my ward. They work.
The proposal is receiving swift pushback from some in city and state government. Illinois Controller Susana Mendoza tweeting, "The policy will help keep illegal guns in the hands of criminal offenders rather than getting them off the streets. Future victims deserve better." Looking forward to a new state's attorney who will follow and enforce the law.
If this policy even makes it in place, I will change it on the first day.
Bob Fioretti is the Republican candidate running to become the new state's attorney. Kim Foxx isn't seeking re-election.
We do not need two defense attorneys in the courtroom, and that's what she's making it happen.
Fioretti's Democratic opponent, Justice Eileen O'Neill Burke, declined to comment on the policy.
We're going to keep that public pressure on. We're not going to relent around this just because Kim Foxx is out of office. We're not begging for the end to pretextual traffic stops. We are demanding it.
Chicago police tell us tonight their efforts to reduce violent crime do not center around traffic stops, and they note a reduction in stops so far this year compared to this time last year. We're live in the loop tonight. Jenna Barnes, WGN News.